Hello students, we study triangle. Now triangle is a figure which is enclosed by three sides and it is represented by a Greek alphabet letter delta. Now here you can see a triangle ABC. It is enclosed by three sides AB, BC, CA. And these are the vertices A, B, C. They are vertices. One is vertex and the plural of vertex is vertices. So these are the vertices. And these are the angles A, B, C. You say for angle A, you say B, A, C. And for angle B, you say ABC. For C, BCA. So these are the elements of triangle. The sides and the angles are the elements of the triangle. So here, triangle ABC has three non-collinear points. Collinear means in straight line. Non-collinear means not in straight line. So it has got three non-collinear points ABC. Three sides, namely A, B, B, C and CA. So you can see the three sides. Three angles, angle A, B, C, B, C, A and C, A, B. Now three sides and three angles of a triangle are called its six parts or six elements. Three vertices A, B, C. A is a vertex opposite to side BC. So this vertex you can say A is opposite BC. B is opposite AC. C is opposite AB. This is how you call the vertices opposite the sides. Now the interior angles, the angles which are inside A, B, C. Now remember, the total of the interior angles is going to be 180 degree. So here A plus B plus C, angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now A you can write BAC, BAC plus for B, ABC plus ACB, ACB. Total is 180 degree. Now another triangle, if you take PQR and calculate, you measure the angle and you see the total, it is always going to be 180 degree. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is going to be 180 degree. Now, supposing you are asked whether 60 plus 70 plus 70 is going to make a triangle. Total it. 70 plus 70, 140. 140 plus 60. How much it is? 140 plus 60. It is going to be 200. Now 200 is more than 180. Therefore, it is not going to form a triangle. These properties you should know because in exam you will be asked. These degrees are given whether it will form triangle. If it is 180, triangle is formed. If it is not 180, then it is not a triangle. Now, these are the interior angles you can see. Now you should know what is exterior angle. Now for a triangle, when I draw a line which is exterior. Now if I draw a line which makes the exterior angles. Let's see how exterior angles are formed. Now you take a scale and you draw a straight line. You draw a straight line. Now this is C, A, C, B. I take the scale and draw a straight line from here. Extend this line BC. extend this line BC. Now this is C. So I've extended this line BC. So here the angle which is formed is known as exterior angle. Is known as exterior angle. We are studying exterior angle. So this is exterior angle. This is exterior angle. Now this is the interior angle and this is the exterior angle. Exterior angle. Now if I draw a line, this line BC I've extended, I can extend here also. At this point I can extend this line. I can extend this line. Now here this is the interior angle. This is the interior angle. That is BAC, angle A. This is interior angle. Now I could just label a point. Here I can say D. And here I can say E. Here I can say F. So now this angle ACD is exterior angle and then BAE is the exterior angle and here angle ABF is exterior angle. This is interior angle. So what I have done is just extended the line. I have extended the line. Inside will be interior, outside will be exterior. So here I have extended this line. The inside is the interior and the outside is the exterior. Now here again I have extended this line. That is BC. I have CB. I have extended up till F. So now exterior angle is formed here. For this exterior, this is interior. For this exterior, this is interior. For this exterior, this is interior. This concept should be very clear. Now you can extend this line also. This line also you can extend. So it will form exterior from this side. I have extended AC. Now let me give EF, G. Let this be G. So now this is again an exterior angle which is formed. Exterior. Now this is interior, this is another exterior. Here again I can extend this line, this line. I give a point H. So now this is the exterior which is formed. This is the exterior, this is the interior and this is the exterior. Now here again I can extend this line. Extend this line. Now this is the angle which is formed. This is the angle which is formed. Here this is the interior, this is the exterior. So here you can name this point HI. Now you can form 6 exteriors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 exterior angles you can form. I hope you have understood. You just have to extend the line and interior you know already what is interior. The outside is exterior. Now The angle which is formed of interior and exterior is the total is 180. The total of interior and exterior, let us take this angle ACB, angle ACB. This is the angle. Now this exterior is ACD plus angle ACD. The total is 180. The total is 180 degree. This interior, this exterior. The total is always 180 degree. Now if you have followed what is interior, exterior and the total is 180. Now you already know the angles. Angles A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. 180. So all the three, they are going to be 180 and this interior and exterior is going to be 180. So by substitution, ACB, you substitute this ACB here, you put instead of ACB, you put this ACD. This is 180, so this is going to be equal. Now both are 180. 180. So angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Now this ACB is angle C. Centermost, it is angle C. So both are common. You can cancel this. And now this is the exterior angle ACB, ACD. ACD is the exterior, which is equal to angle A plus angle B. Now these angles which are opposite to the interior, they are known as the remote interior angles. They are known as the remote interior angles. They are known as remote interior angles. So you should know that the exterior angle is equal to the remote interior angles. Now the classification of triangle depending upon the angles. If all the sides of the angles of the triangle is less than 90 degree, then it is acute angle triangle. So here you can say it is 60, 40, 80. None of them is above 90. Therefore, it is known as acute angle triangle. Now, when one of the angle is 90 degree, then it is known as right angle triangle. Now, the other two angles, the total is 90 for this right angle triangle. And the side which is opposite 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. So here this is right angle triangle. One of the side is 90. It is perpendicular and therefore it is known as right angle triangle. Now the obtuse, when one of the angle is more than 90 degree, here you can see this angle is 130. So here this one angle which is more than 90, 130, therefore it makes it as a obtuse angle triangle. Rest two angles are acute angles which are less than 90. So this is the classification based on the angles, that is acute angle triangle. Each angle is less than 90. Right angle triangle, that is one is 90, and obtuse angle triangle when one of the angle is more than 90. Now the classification of triangle based on the sides. If none of the sides are equal, then it is a scalene triangle. Here you can see the sides are not equal. None of the sides equal. Therefore it is scalene triangle. The angles here also are not equal. So here when the angles and the sides are not equal, it is known as scalene triangle. Now when two sides are equal, then it is known as isosceles triangle. Now when two sides are equal, then the two angles, base angles, are also equal. So here this angle B and C are equal because AB and AC sides are equal. So this is the base sides. This is the base angle, and this is the vertical vertex angle. This is a vertical vertex angle, and the sides, the adjoining sides are equal. This angle is formed by the equal sides. That is the vertically vertex angle. So here this angle is not equal. These two are equal because they are base angles. Base angles are equal. Two sides are equal. Therefore, this triangle is known as isosceles triangle. Now, if it is a right angle triangle, it can still be isosceles triangle. This will be 90 degree. This will be 90 degree. If the other two angles are 45, it becomes an isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal. When these are the base angles and these are the sides which are equal, the hypotenuse becomes the base side, and these two sides are equal. It becomes isosceles triangle. So right angle triangle can also be an isosceles triangle. When two sides are equal, angles have to be equal. If two angles are equal, then the sides have to be equal. So this is isosceles triangle. Now if all the sides are equal, then it is equilateral triangle. Naturally, all the sides are equal, all the angles will also be equal. Now the total has to be 180. So each angle of the equilateral triangle has to be 60 degree. So here equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. Each angle will be 60 degree. Now let us solve some sums on triangle. Can a triangle have angles 60, 70 and 70? You know that total of all the angles of the triangle have to be 180. The total has to be 180. So let's see whether it is 180. Now 60 plus 70 is equal to 200. 200 degree. So it cannot be a triangle. This cannot be measure of a triangle because the total has to be 180 degree and this is 200 degrees. Therefore, this is not a triangle. This is not a triangle. Now next sum, two angles of a triangle are 48 and 73 degrees. So you have to find the third angle. Let's see how much is the third angle. You know the total of all the angles of a triangle has to be 180. So here second sum, here this is a triangle. One of the angle is 48 degrees and the other is 73 degree. Now you have to find the third one. So let us total it. 48 plus 73. Let this angle be x. Therefore x. is equal to 180 degree. Now you add 8, 48 and 73, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry, 7, 8, 12, 121. 8 plus 3, 11, 1, 5, 7 plus 5, 12, it is 121 plus x is equal to 180. Now this x is equal to 180 minus 121. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now 7 minus 2 is 5. 59 degree. The third angle is 59 degree. Let us check whether this is right. 48 plus 73 plus 59. Now 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 2 carry. 7, 4, 2. Now 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 17, 18. So this is 180. So the answer is right. The third angle is 59 degrees. Now the third sum. Three angles of the triangles are 2x plus 20, x plus 30 and 2x minus 10. So here you have to add all the angles and you have to have the total as 180. So here 2x plus 20 plus x plus 30 plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 180 because measure of all the angles of a triangle has to be 180. So now you have to open the bracket. It is 2x plus 20 plus x plus 30 plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 180 degree. Now all the variables you write together. So it is 2x plus x plus 2x. Now all the numerals you write together. 20 plus 30 minus 10 is equal to 180. Now 2x plus 2x plus x is 5x. 5x, 2 plus x, 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 20 plus 30 is 50, 50 minus 10 is 40, 40. Therefore, this is equation is 5x plus 40 is equal to 180. So now the variable on one side and numeral on the other side. 5x is equal to 180. This is plus. When it comes on the other side, it becomes minus. Therefore, minus 40. 5x is equal to 140. Now, x is equal to 140 by 5. Now, do the division work. 140 by 5. 5 2s are 10. 4 down, 0, 8s are 40. So your x is equal to 28. X is 28. Now you have to find the measure of each angle. So now you have to substitute x is equal to 28. After finding the x, you have to substitute in the equation and get the answer. So now the first equation is 2x plus 20. Now is equal to 2x is 28. 28 plus 20. Now 8 2s are 16. 1 carry. 2 2s are 4. 56 plus 20. Plus 20 is equal to 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 76 degree. Now next is x plus 30. X is 28 and plus 30. 8 as you write, 8 as it is you write. 3 plus 2 is 5. 58 degree. Now next is 2x minus 10. X is 28 minus 10. 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 56 minus 10 is equal to 46. Now you add and see whether this is right, because the total has to be 180. 76 plus 58 plus 46. Now 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. 2 carry, 7, 8, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. The total is 180. Therefore, these are the angles of this triangle. Now fourth sum, the diagram is given and you have to find the x and you have to find interior angle BAC and you have to find the other interior angle, that is ACB. Now you have to know the concept of exterior angle. Now this is the exterior angle. And these are the interior angles, 7x and 6x. Now you know that these are the interior opposite angles of this exterior. Exterior is ABD. And you know the concept that the interior opposite angles, the total is equal to the exterior angle. Therefore, 7x plus 6x is equal to 130. 7 plus 6, that is 13x. 13x is equal to 130. Now x is equal to 10. So now you know the value of x. You have to find out this angle. Angle BAC, which is 7x. 7x, BAC, which is 7x. Now 7 into 10 is 70. So angle BAC is 70. Angle BAC is equal to 7 into 10 is equal to 70 degree. So BAC is 70. Now ACB, angle ACB, 6x, 6 into 10, that is 60 degree. 60 degree. Now the total of 60 plus 70 is 130, which is equal to the exterior angle ABD. But question asked is ACB, which is 60, BAC, which is 70. This is the answer. Now, next sum, fifth, in the given isosceles triangle. You know isosceles triangle means two sides are equal and two angles are equal. Now, here the triangle is this. This vertex angle is given, which is 40. Base angles you have to find out. Now let us assume it to be x. So if this is x, this is going to be x. So this is an isosceles triangle. You have to find the base angles. Now the total angle of any triangle is going to be 180. So 40 plus x is equal to 180. Now x plus x is 2x and this numeral will come here. So it is going to be 180 minus 40. Now 180 minus 40 is 140. 140. 2x is equal to 140. Therefore, x is 70. Base angles are going to be 70. This base angles are 70. So, here it is asked, find the base angles of this isosceles triangle. Isosceles, these two sides are equal, these two angles are equal. Vertex angle, vertical angle, that is given is 40. Therefore, we have found out the base angle to be 70. Now, next sum, one of the base angle is 65. Base angle is 65. Now, for an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Therefore, the base angle is equal. Base angles, one is 65, the other has to be 65. Because they are isosceles, these two sides are equal, therefore these two angles have to be equal. So, now you know these two base angles to be 65, 65, and you know that the total of all the angles of the triangle, let this vertex angle to be x. So, here x is equal to 180. 65 plus 65 is equal to b is 130 plus x is equal to 180. Now let this x be here and the numerals are on the other side. 180 minus 130. 180 minus 130 is 50. 0, 0. 8 minus 3 is 5, 1 minus 0. So, x is equal to 50. So, now you have found out the angle of vertex, which is 50. So, now let us add it. 50 plus 65 plus 65, 10, 1 carry. Now, 12, 17, 18, the total is 180. Therefore, this is correct. The vertex angle is 50 degree. Now, if one base angle of an isosceles triangle is double of the vertical angle, find all the angles. Now, you know isosceles triangle, the two sides and two angles have to be equal. So, these two sides are equal, these two angles are equal. Now, it is given that the vertical angle, if one base of an isosceles triangle is double of the vertical angle, so let us suppose this angle to be x, this angle to be x. Now, the base angles are double. If one base angle, now if one base angle is double, that is 2x, the other also has to be 2x. So, base angle is double, then this vertical angle, so we have supposed this vertical angle to be x, and therefore the base angles will become 2x. One is 2x, the other has to be 2x. Now, you all know that the total of all the angles of any triangle is equal to 180. 180. So now 2x plus 2x, 4x plus 1x is 5x is equal to 180. 180. Now x is equal to 180 by 5. So now you divide this 180 by 5. 5 3s are 15. 15. Now 8 minus 5 is 3. 0 comes down, 30. Therefore here 5 6 are 30. 0. So here x is equal to 36. 36. Now you know that this vertical angle is 36. Naturally, this is 2x. Therefore, 2x is equal to 36 into 2, that is 72. 72. So this base angle of this triangle, you can see this is 72. If this is 72, the other is also going to be 72. Now you add 36 plus 72 plus 72. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 carry. 7 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 7 plus you can add 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. Your sum is right. 80 degree. Your sum is right. This x is 36 and 2x base is 72. Now the eighth sum. The eighth sum says that the angle of a triangle are in the ratio 5:3:4. So let us suppose 1x ratio, you can write one part to be x. So this is the triangle and it is in the ratio 5:3:4. So let us suppose x time. So this becomes 5x. This becomes 3x plus 4x because this is 1 time, and since they are in the ratio, this is 5 times, this is 3 times, and this is 4 times. Now the total has to be 180. 180. 5 plus 3x 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12x is equal to 180. Now x is equal to 180 by 12. Now 12 you have to divide. Now you can say, let us divide by 2 first. 2 6 are 12. 2 9s are 18. So here 90. Now 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. 30. And 2 1s are 2. 2 15s are 30. So you're getting x is equal to 15. This x is 15. So now you have to substitute to get the answer. X is equal to 15. Now 5x. 5x is equal to 5 into 15. 5 into 15. So here 15 into 5 you can multiply. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 1 5s are 5. 6 7. So this is 75. The angle, since it is angle, you have to write the degree. Now next is 3x. 3 into 15. 15. Now 15 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 1 carry. 1 3s are 3 plus 1 45. So here this is 45 degree. Next is 4x. 4x. 4x is equal to 4 into 15. Here you can multiply 15 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 2 carry. 1 4s are 4. 5 6. It is 60 degree. Now let us add and see whether our sum is right. 75 plus 45 plus 60. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10. 1 carry. 7 plus 4 11. 12. 12 plus 6 18. So our sum is right. So it is 75, 45, 60. So you can write here it is 75, 60, 45. So these are the answers for this triangle. Now next is the angle of a triangle we have done. Now this ninth sum, this is the figure which is given and you have to find BED. You have to find BED. BED. It's very simple if you understand the concept of the exterior angle. So let us solve this. So let us draw a figure of this so that it becomes easy. So here this angle is 55. This angle is 45. And what you have to find is this angle BED. Now this is ABC. You have to find this angle, that is BED. 55, 45, 40. Now this is the exterior angle. BCD is the exterior angle of ABC. This is the exterior angle of ABC. That is BCD is the exterior angle of ABC. Now you know that the exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angles. Therefore, angle A plus angle B is equal to angle BCD, because this is an exterior for this triangle and these are the interior opposite angles. Therefore, 55 plus 45 is equal to angle BCD. Therefore, angle BCD is equal to 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, and this becomes 100. So this BCD is 100. BCD is 100. Now BED, angle BED is this is E. BED is exterior angle DCE. This is an exterior angle. Again, this exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angles. So your interior opposite angles are angle C plus angle D. Now your angle C is 100 and angle D is 40. So this angle BCD is 140. So this is 140. So we had to find this exterior angle BED. So that is 140. You have to know the concept of exterior angle, which is equal to the opposite interior angles, interior opposite angles.